Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 3 lag. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then type background apps. Now turn off this option and then go to view advanced system settings, click settings, adjust for best performance, apply and OK, and then close it. And then go to GeForce Experience and then drivers, check for updates and then install all the updates, the latest update that you can find. Then go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and after that restart your computer and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, now right click on your computer, NVIDIA control panel. Now you will need to wait a few seconds and then this window will pop up, and once you're here click use my preference, move it to performance and then click apply, and that's it. Now just close it, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.